Guys, welcome back at Tulan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Walmart app to find items in store. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you find the items that you're looking for on Walmart and which specific location they are available. Well, the first thing you want to do here is you want to open up your Walmart app. And from here, at the very top, just under the search Walmart option, you have the option or link here that says, how do you want your items? Go ahead and click on it, and you want to go ahead and add your address, which in this case, just click on add address and basically add your details. So this one is really important because in this case, it will set the nearest or suggest the nearest store on our specific location. So once you've done that, let's go to search Walmart here, and you can go ahead and type in whatever you want or you're looking for. So in my case, let's go ahead and type in watch. And in here, what we need to do is we need to look for the items that we want to get. So for example, we have this watch here that maybe we want to buy. So this one. So let's go ahead and click on it. It should show you the product details, and what we need to do here is we need to scroll down a bit here until you see an option here that actually allows you to see which in this case what location they are currently available. Now as you can see, we can only see the delivery to Sacramento or the location that we set for our account. So it means that this product is not available on that specific store. So let's go and go back. Now, in this case, I want to show you another example here, which in this case, maybe I want to select one of the products. Let's go and select this one as an example. And from here, let's go and scroll a little bit here. And as you can see, we have pickup from that specific location on Walmart and the delivery to option as well. So if you do see the pickup from the following location and the option, or in this case, the aisle that you see there at the right side, it means it's available in store, and it also shows you which aisle is currently available. So in this case, go ahead and click on aisle, or in this case, you want to go ahead and remember the aisle here and location where it's available and proceed on buying it in store if you want to. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Tulan app. Thank you for watching.